YouTube! What the heck's going on? So, here we are again on the Little Mini Bike Build, and we just have a few more things to button up before we can test fire and finally ride this thing. Alright, so, first of all, I have a bunch of these gussets. Got a couple different places where I need to put them. Then we got to weld this thing up, bolt it on, reattach our tensioner. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching. Alright, yeah. The header, I think, is finally done. Think it'll hold? Maybe, maybe it won't. I welded around this whole inside, and then I just took a burr bit on the Dremel, smoothed it all out, and then I just spent like 30 minutes with a big flat file getting this back as flat as it needs to be anyways. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. This side looks good enough. This is my first couple days ever TIG welding anything ever. So, I mean, it is what it is. When I wrap that, it'll be ready to bolt on here. That involve this here unit. I made another video how you can make one of these yourself for like essentially no money. So I'll put that up at the top somewhere if you want to watch that. I need to degree the cam, and I need to degree my ignition timing in, because when I built this thing I just kind of stuck it together and hope for the best. But this engine should be good for 9,000 plus RPM, and I was only getting like 7,500, which could have something to do with the gearing, and I was already doing like 70 miles an hour, wind resistance, gearing, all that good stuff. But I don't think so. I think it's all in my timing, compression, and cam timing. So I guess that's what's next. Degreeing things.
Shut up and sit down.
Yeah. According to the degree wheel, I'm at 38 degrees of timing now. Before I moved the flywheel, before I moved it, I was only at 30 degrees, which is probably not enough for methanol. So I measured my depth in the hole, what it is now at the ignition point, and I'm at 350 thousandths, which is what Junior Dragster got to shoot for. So I'm gonna leave it there and see what happens.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, check it out. Got the header on here. Got it header wrapped to keep the heat off the tire. Maybe it'll be alright. If not, we'll figure it out when that time comes. I was gonna try to test fire today, maybe go for a quick ride, but I don't have no methanol. So we're SOL. I got the copper head gasket back in here. Hopefully it'll seal this time. I coated it with some copper spray. So hopefully it seals this time, because it definitely makes a difference on the compression. Now it feels about the same as that Predator did. So give me a like or not, comment, say hey, what's up, I like the video, I don't like it, freaking sucks. See you next time.